Cloud is emerging as key building block for all future broadcasting needs. We at Planetcast are committed to design, innovate and build next-generation versatile cloud playout solutions. The first component is MAMC Lite, which makes sure the quality check and the transcoding of the content at the remote end. And then once it is made sure that the content is ready to be played, it uploads the content to the centralized storage over cloud. This in turn saves a lot of time and bandwidth. Once the content is quality checked, it can be seen over this web-based live interface. And even the transcoding and upload operation can be seen. After the content is uploaded on the central NAS, it can be managed completely by the Media Asset Management tool, which is also over the web. It has multiple tools, utilities and reports available to make sure every sort of possible operations which we have to do around the media. CloudX is a major component of Cloud PMS. It actually helps us in managing the schedule and playing videos. On the left side is the menu, which is used to import, append, verify, toggle, sync, and to insert from the content manager in the current playlist, and have bulk operations as well. Along with these operations, we have on-air option and logout option available. To start with, we can upload and import a schedule. As we can see, we have imported a schedule. A schedule has number of columns starting with serial number, type, event time, its ID, subclip, title, segment number, reconcile key, starting time code, duration, and the total duration of physical files. As we can see, there is a column with file status. This column is showing not verified. It means it is there in the schedule but not verified. In the last column, there is the GPO option available for multiple integration possibilities. So if we try to append the playlist, we will have to use the append option, and by appending we can have multiple IDs to the end of list. Now we've got 40 IDs in total. So let's append more. After appending this much, we've got 60 IDs. After appending, we can see these IDs by scrolling up and down. There is a thumbnail available in front of each ID, as done by transcoding. This thumbnail on previewing generates a player at the right bottom of page. As you can now see, there is a preview played for each ID. We can seek it forward and backward as per the requirement. And also we can switch it to full screen. In a moment, we will switch it to full screen. Now this is the full screen view. And we can on demand switch it back to normal size and close it. Once these operations are cleared and we are sure that these IDs are eligible, we will have to verify them first before going on air. As you can see now, the screen ID is actually the ID which is on air. Then we have two options, ready and advance. These particular IDs are queued. The on-air screen is available on the left side of screen, which is showing which ID is currently played. This is the live stream of ID. While actually viewing this ID, we can still operate in our schedule management console by right-clicking or left-clicking and previewing any existing ID which is available. As you can see right now, we are trying to preview, and also we can control the schedule by having multiple operations on the right-click. If you click on the primary ID, we have multiple number of operations. If you click on the secondary ID, you will have these many operations. Yes, there are a few common operations which we can actually have in both of them. Selection is very simple. Left click is to single select. Left click and drag is for multiple select. Right click is again the same way available in both. Now let's move on to basic operation, which we can do. If you click on edit, you will have same ID in the edit mode available with save, undo option. If we cancel, it will go back to the same view. Create new and below options are there. Create new will create a new row above the existing, and we can fill in the details to add a new ID in the schedule. The same way create below option works. Toggle option is about toggling the event time as per the on-air ID. It happens when same IDs are not toggled and added newly in the schedule below. Remove is very similar to other operations. The system will ask you for a confirmation like, are you very sure or not, because this is a critical operation. Skip and stop option are available on the top right corner because these operations cannot be performed accidentally. So these operations are available below the main access panel. If you skip, yes, the system will skip and the next ID should play on. So these are the basic features available on Cloud PMS using CloudX Player available over the web. That's it.